was one of the most promising young politicians with a lot of courage.
Thank you so much for watching, and ensure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us get to know your opinions and your comments in the commentary section. Once more, subscribe to Brother Jonah TV. Right.
I also condole with the family of the Honorable Hon Nakimuli. That one is a real shocker. She was one of the most promising young politicians with a lot of courage, and I could see her really shining even brighter as a political leader. Unfortunately, we have lost her. So we convey our condolences to her family. The last time the Prime Minister was in Chotera, and she said that NRM had married DP. Which marriage remains in the compound? If you are married, marriage means full access. They were proudly saying, ababa DP twabawasa sibe bagamba. Kati wembanga muli mbufumbo. Ebyobufumbo bigwera mu lujja oba bigenda ne mu kisenge. Ebyobufumbo bigenda buli wamu. Toyinza gamba nti tuli bafumbo naye tujja kusigala mu lujja. Obwo tebuba bufumbo. So, as it were, they are the ones who said they had married us. Then they are the ones who are now saying, don't come to the bedroom. I think that is a bit problematic. So Chankwanze worked because members of NRM put a lot of pressure on their party not to ring fence the position of speaker.